How to make a free logo in minutes.
Hello, you're welcome to basic tutorials, and today I want to walk you through how to make simple logos for your business, for your brand. So it's a cool tutorial, and I know it's going to be of help to you, especially if you have just started out a business, a brand, something, you need a logo, something to represent your organization, your business, or your brand. This tutorial I think will help you. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that when I upload new videos you get to know and watch them. So let's go straight to the tutorial. So this tool, or this resource, or this software, is called Activepresenter. It's compatible on Windows, so it's free. What I'm using here right now is the free version, so you too can also use the free version to do amazing things with it. So just go to Google, search for Activepresenter, get it downloaded, and let's do this together. So it's launched. So you want to make a logo for your brand or your business or something that you have just started out to do. So what we do, so this is our work area. This whole place, our work area, and we can enlarge it this way or reduce it this way. In any way you're gonna get what you want to get. So let's continue. So here editing, clickables here, and you have the other things here that we'll be using, and a lot of things here. So let's go to the work area. So you decide. You can change the background. So first of all, let's remove all these things. So just click on it, make sure you get them out. So you can change the background to any color you want. You can change it here to red, you can change it to green, you can change it to again, black. So any color at all. You can change the background to any color you want. You can do that, or you can go back home to the start page button and choose some of these templates that are here. A lot of templates are here. You can choose them. You can choose this on the templates. Just templates. You can, after choosing this template, you can change the background to. You can change. So you can change to have no fill, solid fill, gradient. You can use gradient. You can use image fill. So if you choose image fill, that means you want to insert an image. So you go to select a background image from a project. So if you have a background image that you have already downloaded, you can go back to it on your machine and get it right here. And you can choose solid fill to the color here. So it shows this box. If you want to change everything, you click outside it, and you can come down here, drop down. Okay, so let's go up. So this is okay. So you can change it to any color you want. Right here, you can get rid of this. So you can choose any background you want for this tutorial and start. So I choose to use this white background. So let's go. So you can do a lettered logo. You just use the letters of your brand or your business to do the logo. Or there are also amazing things you can choose to work with over here. Examples are, if you go to insert, some versions have it as annotations. Here is insert. When you go to insert, there are amazing things here you can use. There are things here you can use here. This one is here. You can choose something like this, manipulate it, so you can, a lot of things you can do with this. You can change the color. Come here, and change it to okay, this color already. I can change it to this color. You can change it to anything at all I want to change it to, and so you can choose this one, and I can even use gradient. So gradient is a mixture of colors. So here you have what, black and white. So you can control it this way, this way. So to the middle, and get something like this. And you can add and subtract. So you can add a color to it. Come here, add something to it, maybe red. Oh, you see it? It's red. And so we can manipulate. So something like this. See what I'm getting? We are getting something here. We're getting something here. You can continue manipulating it. You can add another color. Maybe color. Add a color to maybe color yellow. And let's see what's happening here. So continue. Okay, so this is the black. Continue. Okay, see what's happening here. You see what's happening. So manipulate. See what I'm getting here. So you can do subtract. Now it's gone. It's gone there. The gold is gone. You can add. You can come to drop down. Choose something like this. You can move it. See what we are getting. See what I'm getting here. So kind of manipulations. So whatever you are doing, you can do a lot of positioning. You can increase your positioning and see what's happening. So you can use this to do the editing. See what's happening. So come down. You can control the opacity. You can so let's continue. You can, the custom shadow is here. You can use the custom shadow to get that effect, or no shadow. So you can use this, and continue editing to get something for your brand or your business. So there are a lot of images that you can use here. Let me see. So a lot of things here you can use editing, and for creating your logo. So let's go to any of this. So you can choose something like this here. So let's get rid of this. Let's go back to insert. So I choose this. So you get a plus. Just put it. Sorry. So let's increase it. So we can have this. This is the color. You can choose to maintain it. You can right click and copy it and paste it. So you are getting another one. So you can take it out. Just take it out like this. So what are we getting? So you can select it, change this thing to maybe red. You can paste again to get a third one. Yeah, do this way. Maybe change the color to something like gold. So you can then get something. So maybe So you can, next thing you can use the text caption. You get a plus, just get it here. So maybe you want to write, maybe your brand name is something you want to abbreviate, or something you want to write everything under. So let's say, okay, here. So maybe something like here. Okay, let's get this straight, and then like Unity Club, maybe Unity Club, Unity Club. Let's highlight it, increase it to maybe 100. Okay, so 100. Let's increase this side. All right. So let's shift it this way. All right, Unity Club. So maybe you want to do some editing here. This one to maybe red. Unity Club. This one to gold color. So something cool, no? So this is Unity Collab. So you can use this one for your business or your brand, you know. So you can even something like you can bold it, you can underline it. Wow, this is what we have right now. This is what we have right now. So you can just manipulate the stuff here to get something you want for your business, and all this you can control the sizes. You can the sizes you can manage the sizes and everything you want to do with the height and the opacity and other things you want to. So you can manipulate them and get a logo for your brand. So you can do amazing things with it. You can choose something, even something from here. You can choose something from here. You know, this is something cute. And choose it and come to the editing, change it to something else, maybe something like this. And let's come and pick the text caption, use it, and something. Let's say what should I do? Example like the food joint. Let's increase it to maybe 80. Okay, food joint 80. So let's then take it here, click on it, drag it into this thing. So food joint. So that's a food joint. Maybe let's say, okay, bold, food joint. Let's change something. You can change this one to maybe food joint or something like this, food joint. So it's amazing, it's simply amazing. A lot of things you can do with this free software. You can do a lot of. You can just use letters to do. Let me show you some examples that I did. Let's go to let me check here. Got a lot of them. Let me show you my project here. So see all these things. Let me see these things. No. Yes, I mean I use the same software, to do this, design this, to design this. See the gradient effect here, you know, getting serious. Let's go and check other things that I've used. This logo that I use for my social media evangelism. I use the same to do it. This same thing, I use the same to do it. Let's go continue. Let's see this. A lot of them that this same thing. I use the same software to do it. See, that's this thing, same software to do it. And you can watch my videos there and do tutorials on piano accordion. And the same thing, this thing here, I use the same thing to do it. So a lot of them. So friends, this is for you. Just manipulate it, try all things here, and get a logo for your brand. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. If you have questions, you can leave them in the comment section, and let me know what you think about this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe.